Imagine owning a business where you set your own hours, control your income, and don't need an expensive storefront. What if I told you that one of the most underrated ways to make serious money is sitting in parking lots all around you? A simple cargo van can turn into a full-time income, or even a six-figure business, if you know how to use it right. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to make money with a cargo van, whether you're looking for a side hustle, a new business, or a way to maximize an existing vehicle. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a complete action plan to turn your van into a cash machine. 1. The hidden goldmine. Why cargo vans are a lucrative business opportunity. The rise of e-commerce, local delivery services, and specialized transportation has created an unprecedented demand for cargo van services. Companies like Amazon, FedEx, and UPS are constantly looking for independent contractors to handle deliveries, and smaller businesses need help moving products daily. What's more, unlike traditional trucking businesses, cargo vans require significantly lower startup costs, no need for a commercial driver's license, CDL, in most cases, and maintenance costs are far lower than large trucks. Take a look at the numbers. A single contract with Amazon's Delivery Service Partner program can generate between $15,000 and $25,000 per month for independent drivers. Meanwhile, moving services or specialized transport, like catering or floral deliveries, can bring in hundreds of dollars per job. The key is knowing where to find these opportunities and how to capitalize on them. 2. Essential requirements. What you need to get started. Before you dive in, there are a few non-negotiables. First, you need the right van size, mileage, and reliability matter. A high-roof cargo van like a Ford Transit or Mercedes Sprinter is ideal for moving large items, while smaller models like the Ram ProMaster City are better for urban delivery routes. Next, you need the right paperwork, business insurance, vehicle insurance, and in some cases, special permits depending on your location. If you plan on partnering with large companies, they may require additional certifications, such as DOT numbers or safety inspections. Don't skip this step. Many first-timers lose money because they ignore these basics and get hit with unexpected fines or insurance claims. 3. Top money-making cargo van business ideas. There are countless ways to make money with a cargo van, but let's break down some of the most profitable options. Local delivery services. Sign contracts with companies that need same-day or last-mile deliveries. Grocery stores, retailers, and pharmacies are great starting points. Moving and hauling services. Many people need help moving small loads, furniture, or appliances but don't want to hire a full moving company. Mobile car detailing, cleaning, or repair services. Turn your van into a mobile workstation and bring services directly to clients. Junk removal and disposal. A highly in-demand service that requires minimal equipment but can be very profitable. Rental services. Platforms like Fetch or Turo allow you to rent out your van when you're not using it, creating a passive income stream. 4. How to land lucrative contracts with businesses and individuals. One of the biggest mistakes new cargo van owners make is waiting for business to come to them. Instead, you need to actively seek out partnerships and clients. Start by reaching out to local businesses. Small retailers, florists, bakeries, and catering companies all need reliable transport but may not have their own delivery fleet. Platforms like TaskRabbit, GoShare, and Dolly connect independent contractors with local delivery jobs. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and LinkedIn can also be gold mines for networking. The key is to build a reputation, deliver on time, communicate clearly, and go the extra mile for your clients. 5. Maximizing profits. How to optimize routes and fuel efficiency. One major factor that eats into profits is inefficiency. Wasted fuel, long detours, and unnecessary mileage can significantly cut your earnings. Use GPS route optimization apps like Road Warrior or Circuit Route Planner to streamline your deliveries and reduce travel time. Consider fuel-efficient driving habits like maintaining steady speeds, avoiding idling, and using a fuel rewards credit card to save on gas expenses. 6. How to set the right pricing and avoid losing money. Pricing is everything in this business. Charge too little, and you'll barely break even. charge too much, and you'll struggle to land contracts. A good rule of thumb is to calculate your operating costs first: fuel, insurance, maintenance, and marketing. Then, price your services accordingly. For example, a local furniture delivery could range from $50 to $200 depending on distance, size, and complexity. Junk removal services typically charge by the truckload, anywhere from $150 to $600 per job. Research competitors in your area and position yourself strategically. 7. How to market your cargo van business and get clients fast. Having the best service means nothing if no one knows about you. Marketing is critical. Start by creating a simple website with your services, pricing, and contact information. Leverage social media posting before and after pictures of moving jobs, quick testimonials, or behind-the-scenes clips can build credibility fast. 8. How to scale your cargo van business to 6 figures. Once you've mastered the basics, scaling is the next step. You can hire additional drivers, expand into new service areas, or invest in multiple vans. Successful cargo van business owners often transition into fleet management, outsourcing deliveries, and even offering specialized services like climate-controlled transport for perishable goods. 9. Common mistakes that kill cargo van businesses, and how to avoid them. Many cargo van businesses fail because of preventable mistakes. Underpricing, failing to factor in expenses and undervaluing services. Poor customer service, delivering late, being unprofessional, or lacking clear communication. Neglecting maintenance, unexpected repairs can wipe out months of profit. Stay ahead by planning for these pitfalls. 10. Passive income strategies using your cargo van. Why work harder when you can make money passively? Renting out your van on platforms like Turo, using it for mobile advertising, or leasing it to delivery contractors are all ways to make money without actively driving. Every day you wait is another missed opportunity. The people making 6 figures with cargo vans started just like you by taking action. Success isn't about luck, it's about strategy. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Now that you know how to turn a cargo van into a money-making machine, what's stopping you? If you want to see even more ways to build wealth, check the description or the pinned comment. I've left some valuable resources for you. And since you made it this far, YouTube has already chosen the next best video for you. It's on screen right now. Click and keep learning.